Should you stay at Swan Reserve? On this episode of Stay Tours, I'll share my very first stay at Swan Reserve, a 14-story, 5-star hotel built in 2021 in the EPCOT Resort area of Walt Disney World. Swan Reserve is across the street from its larger and older counterparts, the Swan and Dolphin, which both opened in 1990. Guests enter Swan Reserve on the first floor and check in on the third floor by taking an escalator or elevator. This entrance area has beautiful Vegas vibes with a hint of Disney. I love that the sprawling windows in the third floor lobby provide amazing views of the OG Swan and Dolphin. Plenty of options to grab a snack or meal too. A cafe, a restaurant called Amare, lots of nooks and crannies to sit, a bar, and an outdoor pool with tons of seating. Guests at Swan Reserve also have access to Swan and Dolphin pools by taking a 5-minute stroll across the street. Guests who stay at Swan Reserve can also take advantage of deluxe Disney Resort perks such as early morning park entry and extended evening hours. Check Disney Parks calendars for those specifics during your stay. We took the elevator from the lobby on the 3rd to the 6th floor to get to our room. The lighting here makes everything look upscale. We used points and status, but didn't get upgraded this time. While we had a standard 2-queen room, being on the 6th floor provided a beautiful view of Swan and Dolphin as well as Spaceship Earth at EPCOT. Our room, 6322, was at the far end of the hall on the corner. As you enter, the bathroom is to the right behind a sliding door. Spacious. I love the gray penny tile work, and all the bath products provided a fun pop of color. They sure do like orange here. Even the bath products are orange scented. An overhead rain shower and hand shower that can be used as a mounted shower are nice options to customize your shower experience. Did I say the word shower enough? I sure do love having a magnifying mirror when I stay at a resort. This hairdryer was awesome, though full of someone else's hair. Ooh. Again, the details and the lighting make every space here feel upscale. I love me some dimmers. But what exactly is going on in this bathroom art? Anyway, 2 queen beds, simple decor, and more amazing lighting. Plenty of places to charge devices too, a huge advantage when staying at a newer resort. Underbed storage helps guests use the space efficiently, and I will say, having high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows made this room feel much more spacious than it actually was. This room felt a little small, but with minimalist furniture and decor, it worked for us, especially for only a one-night stay this time. We also had a mini fridge and a Keurig that didn't seem to be an actual Keurig brand coffee maker, but it functioned just the same. Circling back to the entrance to the room was this little cave-like foyer with a bright orange closet. The dark blue walls and ceiling provided a nice color contrast, but I really felt like this area was a functional miss. There was no lighting in the closet, and trying to use this full-length mirror as another option of a place to get ready proved impossible. There was no direct lighting near the mirror. It was like trying to get ready in a cave. Maybe rather than having lighting to highlight the wall art, providing adequate lighting in this corner would have been a bit more practical. The view out the massive windows shows just how close you are to the OG Swan and Dolphin. A quick walk across the street gets you to the prime EPCOT Resort location in my opinion, which is yacht, beach, or boardwalk. Staying at Swan Reserve adds about 5 minutes to your stroll to get to the International Gateway when compared with staying at Swan or Dolphin. For us, a leisurely paced walk from Swan Reserve to the International Gateway at EPCOT took roughly 16 minutes. And I do mean leisurely, because who can help but relax walking along the boardwalk to enjoy these views? This was our first visit to EPCOT since all the construction walls came down. We enjoyed entertainment at the new Communicore stage, strolled through a bare but air-conditioned Communicore hall, and it felt like EPCOT shrank a little since it was finally so easy to get from one side of the park to the other without all of those walls. We enjoyed the parks on both July 3rd and July 4th, taking full advantage of Independence Day entertainment. Voices of Liberty had me in tears as usual, George W. Bush's portraits of courage were so inspiring, and Mickey and friends were sporting outfits only seen to celebrate July 4th at the American Pavilion. hop to Hollywood Studios to enjoy a fabulous meal at Hollywood Brown Derby, then hop to Magic Kingdom to enjoy the July 4th celebration, fireworks at the castle. Beside the castle, at both ends of Main Street, it was a 360-degree celebration we've never seen before, worth the trip. While we had to take a bus back to Swan Reserve from Magic Kingdom, the walkability of this location to both EPCOT and Hollywood Studios is what makes any resort in this area amazing and convenient. A patriotic spaceship Earth showed red, white, and blue all night out our resort room window and into the next morning. Will we prefer Swan or Dolphin over Swan Reserve? I'll let you know in the next few months because we'll be staying at both. I usually end by saying, I guess I gotta go home now, but in this case, it's time to head to Port Canaveral to set sail on the Disney Wish. We'll tour our stateroom in another video, so I guess I gotta go cruise now.